The fall is coming, I can feel it. The breeze brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels strong.
I just spilled peanut butter oil all over my leggings. Great. That oil separation was totally rude and uncalled for. But new leggings, I did attempt to wash the leggings in the sink. So because I've been pretty sedentary the past couple of days doing all that work, I figured I'd do a quick full body workout and mobility. Muy importante. He always runs away because he has to pee on something. Always runs. And he knows he's not supposed to. What a good workout. Yeah. Keeping up with, I have no idea where I put this thing and now it's lost. I put gas in my car yesterday and now I don't know where my debit card is. So there's that. I think Walmart takes Apple Pay. Fingers crossed that they do. This is also not the first time that I lost my debit card. So the plan is to first head to Walmart. Wow, these allergies are ruining my life. Yeah, go to Walmart, get groceries. I'm really craving a salad. There's those like kits. The Asian cabbage salad is so good. I want that. I want that in my belly. I'm just feeling healthy. And there's a library close to that Walmart. That is probably what we're gonna do for the day. I forget how exhausting working out first thing in the morning is. I'm ready to go back to bed. I might take a nap. First, food. Hello? Gluten-free. It took me way too long to pick these spoons and forks. I need a snack post haste. The blueberry almonds, they're so good. And Fairlife protein shake. Listen, I got a lot of snacks this time. It was so exciting. It feels like they had so many dairy-free, vegan, gluten-free things. And I was just like, I want it all. And no, this Walmart did not take Apple Pay. It's a good thing I have credit cards. So the plan is to now go to the library. I don't need the library at this moment. The editing can be done without internet, but I'd rather just be there so when I'm ready to upload them, I can. I was hoping to park somewhere kind of inconspicuously. I mean, it's not going to be inconspicuous, but it is sunny enough to where I can put my solar panels out, charge my power station a little bit, but I do think that the rain is coming because there's dark clouds. Let's see how far the library is. Oh, the library is 6 minutes away. It's literally around the corner. That's all the mud from when my tire was spinning. And yeah, look. Anyways, library is right there. I'm gonna see if I could get the Wi-Fi from sitting right here. I guess not. Look at the clouds. The clouds are coming. I figured since I couldn't get Wi-Fi from where I was, and since the sun isn't gonna be sunning in a little bit, I was like, let me just move to a nicer, shadier spot. So I just went to the other side and the public library Wi-Fi popped up. I'm gonna end up eating all these. I need to stop and eat my salad. Look, they almost match my nails, my crusty nails. I'm gonna take care of that. It is freezing outside. It's 48 degrees. The weasel's nice and full, and he's ready to go to sleep. It is 4:40 and I am done. All the images are uploaded. That's it, we finished work. Yeah, so now I gotta figure out where we're sleeping. We don't technically have to be in town again, but I also don't want to go too far because I do have to upload my video for Sunday. So much to do. But anyways, I really want a soda. I also didn't have my salad. Don't want to drive 2 hours. What about this one? 45 minutes. I don't mind driving 45 minutes. All right, cool. Luckily for the next 2 days, it's supposed to be sunny and it looks like it's a completely like flat open area. Perfecto for my solar panels. The highest it's gonna be is 63, so yeah, that definitely works. Need to go outside? You can go pee-pee? Come on. Let's go.
Gasoline on hidden desires. So I'll throw another log on the fire. Let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn.
Here. Excuse me. It's that Dr. P. I have like 1 bar LTE up here, and this is basically like a field. So like I said, no amenities, but we have a place to sleep and their service. There's hardly any tree cover. There is a dead tree up there, but it looks sturdy, and I don't think there's going to be any wind or storm in the next 2 days. It's definitely different this time. I'm spending a lot more time in areas that aren't as remote. That is going to change soon. I am just staying around the Tennessee area until the end of the month and then heading out west. Who knows where? I mean, like Utah, Colorado, Idaho, Wyoming, Montana, all those places I want to go back to, and some places I didn't even make it to last time. You know, making our way downtown. Okay, let's get settled. I need to eat my salad.
First off, your smile. I'm obsessed with it. Anyways, back to what I was going to say. I'm so proud of you. You got a lot done. Like, you even said you had a day. Hope you found your debit card, by the way. But yeah, I took my nap and I didn't get to my book.
My book.
Because the Raganese are just about to attack. Misaki just stood up to her husband.
Hello.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Titi.
How are you, sweetheart?
Good. How are you?
Good. Where are you right now?
Tennessee.
Take care, okay, sweetheart?
I will. It's cold.
Okay, sweetheart. Love you, and take care, okay?
I love you too. Have a good day, Titi.
Okay, see you later.
Okay,
Bye.
bye. Do y'all ever go on TikTok and just cry? Every time I open this app, I'm crying. To be honest, I have not been on TikTok in a really long time. With the state of the world, it was just really heavy. Just like, I can't deal with this, so I try not to go on there too often anymore. I have been sitting in the same spot for a while. I do want to get ready to lay down, but I also don't want to move. Okay, actual 41 feels like 29. How? Not how, but like why? It's too cold. The way I don't even want to like go outside. I still haven't eaten my salad. I'm gonna do that right now. I was getting my bowl, my big bowl, so I could finally eat my salad. And it smells like soap, but I have no idea how soap would have gotten there. Yeah, it's definitely soap, but I have no idea. I did get another bowl today, like a plate bowl. This is the bowl plate that I got. I think that might be enough, I don't know. This bowl plate is like the perfect size for the salad. Heck yeah.
There